Hello friends, welcome to today's video. In this video we are going to check how to draw lines, circles and things like that on an image. Okay, so let's first get started. Before starting this video, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell button so that from the next videos onwards you will be able to get the notifications. Okay, so let's get started with how to draw a line. Okay, so let's do like import cv2. Let's take the image cv2 dot im read off. Okay, you have to give r as well as let me just go take a picture and come. Okay, not a picture, the link of the picture from the path. Okay, just a minute. So now I have copied a path. Okay, let's give the path here. Now let's try to draw a line, so on the same image, so that we are just doing like img itself. Then let's do like cv2 dot line. Line is the function to draw a line. Okay, on where you want to draw, on the img, right? Let's give img. Then you have to give the starting point and the ending point. Okay, let's give like 50, 100. Okay, this is the coordinates of your screen. Okay, now let's take like 255 comma 255, which is the ending point. Okay, whichever is the point you want you can take. I'll give here to be 200. Okay, now the next point is like you have to give the color. Okay, whichever color you want, like red, blue, green, anything. Okay, so let's give like 255, 255, 255. Okay, now let's give the thickness of the line, which is 10. Okay, now let's do like cv2 dot im show draw line. Okay, because this line is much important in this, because you are going to, if it finds out a face, you wanted to draw a square box, right? So for such things, the lines, arrows and things like that are much important for you guys. So that's why I'm taking this session. Okay, now let's see how it will draw a line. Let's take it. This is the 4th tutorial. I hope you have watched the 1st, 2nd and the 3rd tutorial, right? So here there is some problem with the path, right? Okay, let's just see the let me just take another image and just check. So now what I forgot was to give this in the im read. In the im read you have to give a flag, right? 1 for colored images and 0 for non-coloring images, right? So now let's see. You can see that it started drawing a line, right, of the thickness 10. Okay, so this is how you draw a line. Okay, so suppose I gave 0, 0, 255. That's the reason I got a red line. So let's try to give 255, 255, 255. Okay, then you will be able to get a white line. Okay, now let's try to make, so this is the B, G and R, right? So this is the B where I'm going to give 0. So now you will be able to get a yellow line. Okay, now let's give this second one also to be 0. You will be able to get red line itself. Now if you give everything 0, then you will be able to get a black line. Okay, so this is how you adjust every colors. Okay, so if you give just green alone, it will give the green, and if you give the blue alone, it will give you blue. Okay, So that is how you draw a line. Okay, now let's see how to draw a arrowed line. Okay, I am not again going to type the same program. Just the thing that what I am going to do is just change the function, because all other parameters are the same. Okay, so now let's do like drawing a arrowed line. Okay, this L is capital. Okay, after the arrowed, then it is capital. Now you are able to get the arrowed line. Okay, now let's try to draw the rectangle. Okay, so how will you draw a rectangle? You have to choose a option called rectangle. Okay, and this is the image itself, the starting point, and this is not the ending point. Okay, as you guys know that the rectangle has got a initial point which is on the top left end, that corner point, and the bottom right end is the next point. Okay, so I'll just give the same points itself just to see what it gives, and then we can just change. Okay, now let's change this to the rectangle. The top left and the bottom right are the 2 points that it takes. Okay, now you got this, right? So just try to move 10 of the points this side. Then what you have to do, onto the X you have to change it to 10. Let's change it to 50 and just see whether it has been moving. Yes, it is been moved, right? So now let's make it like 48 and just see. Okay, cool. Now in the Y position also it should be moving 48 below. Let's just check whether it works well. Yes, you can see that it's on the corner right. Okay, so now you need this much space, right? So what you will do, instead of giving 255 as the end point, try to give 500. Okay, you will get a much bigger square. Okay, this is how you draw a rectangle. I hope drawing a rectangle was clear. Okay, now we are going to try to draw a rectangle filled. Okay, so if you want it to be filled, now this was a hollow rectangle, right? Just change the thickness to -1. Okay, so that you will get a filled rectangle. Can you see this? Now it's a filled rectangle. Okay, I hope up to this much was clear. Now let's do about drawing a circle. Okay, let's change the code here to circle. Okay, the first parameter is the image itself. The next is the center point. Let's give 48. Then let's give the radius. So it is not the point you have to give. Radius means 50. Radius means from the center of the circle to one of its ends. Okay, or the edge where you are drawing the circle. Okay, on the hollow circle it touches. That much length is your breadth, is your radius. Okay, not the breadth. Next is the color and the thickness. Okay, so we are going to give -1 itself, so that it will be a filled circle. Okay, let's just see how you get it. Okay, it's like this. Let's make it to 500 so that it will be almost onto the center, and let's give here as 150. Okay, so now you can see it is at the center, right, with the radius 150. Okay, so this is how you draw the circle. Now let's suppose that we want a text. Okay, so what will we do? We want a text to be written. Okay, so now this is a circle, let it be there. Now I am going to show you font. Okay, let's create a variable called font and give cv2 dot. Let's give the font like font Hershey simplex. Okay, I'll show. Okay, I'll show you like cv2 dot font. This is a font that is available in the cv2. Okay, Hershey Simplex. Okay, now let's give like img is equals to, because on the img we need this, we need the font. Okay, and let's give like put text of img, then let's give the text that you want. I'll give it to be France. Okay, the next is the point from where it should be beginning. Let's give it to be 500 400. Okay, it will be almost the center. Then you have to give the font, which is the font face that you have chosen, which type of writing. Then you can give a size. Let's choose it to be 32. Then the font color, I'm giving 255 0 255. Okay, and the next is the thickness. Let's give it to be 10. Okay, and the last is the line type. Let's give cv2 dot line underscore aa. Okay, that is the line type that we are going to do. Now let's see how you are able to get. You can see it's such big and you are not able to read, right? So let's make it to like 22 and just check if you are able to see. No, still you are not able to see. Let's give it like 100 200. Okay, and now let's see. No, let's give the position to be 500 500. Okay, you can see the France, but it's starting from the X should be almost like 300, right? Okay, now again we have to adjust. Let's make it to 12. Okay, again backward. Let's give it to be 100. Okay, and the font size can be 8, right? This is how you adjust the sequence, okay, or the text. So now you are able to read the complete France altogether, right? Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, see you in the next video with some other interesting topics. Bye.